Hello, Ignacio Esparza here, and today I want to show you my enhancement number 9. The first things we need to do is change the target of image, the uploads, to the products folder with the Acme image folder for the current uploads image folder. First, I in the example, I was using this folder, but I changed the path for this folder. Then the other thing I did is all existing image. I delete all the information here and upload again the image, but using the uploads view. Okay. For example, I go to upload a new image associated with this product. The upload succeed. Here is the image. This is the normal size. This is the tiny size thumbnail. Okay. Now we go to reviewing the database. This is the new image, and the size is less than 500 pixels, and the tiny of the thumbnail is less equals or less to 200 pixels. This is the case of all image. Here in the database, we will review the image table, and here is the here is the image I have added related with the crash helmet. Okay. Here is the other one, the tiny. Okay. Okay. I try to write the code for find the image to the product detail, but I can't. I try the different ways, but I can't. I don't know why. Okay, that's all for my enhancement number 9. Thank you. Sorry, I forget test the HTML code. And the CSS code. Okay, no errors. Okay, that's all. Thank you.